In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a chat in Lark. Pinning a chat is a simple way to keep your most important conversations within easy reach, so you don't have to scroll or search when you're in a hurry. We'll walk through the process on a computer, and I'll highlight a few helpful details along the way to make it smooth and frustration-free. First, open Lark on your computer. Give it a moment to load your workspace. Once you're in, look to the left side of the window for the Chats panel. This is your main hub for recent messages, group conversations, and any threads you've been active in. If you have a lot of conversations, don't worry. Pinning will help bring order to the list. Next, find the chat you want to pin. This could be a direct message with a colleague, a team group, or a project channel. If your chat list is long, use the search bar at the top to type the chat's name or a keyword to locate it quickly. When you see the conversation, hover your mouse over it so the chat entry is clearly highlighted. Now, open the options for that chat. The quickest way is to right-click the chat in the list. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click usually works as a right-click. Alternatively, you can click the three-dot menu that appears next to the chat name. Both actions open the same small menu of options, so use whichever feels most natural. From the menu, select Pin Chat. As soon as you click it, Lark will mark that conversation as pinned. You'll typically notice a small pin icon appear, and the chat will move to the top area of your Chats panel. This top placement is exactly what makes pinning so useful. No more scrolling through dozens of messages to find the one you use every day. Once a chat is pinned, it stays at the top for easy access, even as new messages come in elsewhere. The next time you open Lark, you'll be able to jump straight into that conversation without searching. This is ideal for ongoing projects, priority updates, or any chat you check frequently throughout the day. To recap, open Lark. Locate your conversation in the Chats panel. Open the options by right-clicking or using the three dots, and choose Pin Chat. That's all it takes. With this small tweak, you can keep your workspace tidy and your most important messages front and center. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a faster, more organized chat experience in Lark.